With the rise of supplements, protein powders, and other vitamins, many people think that just by taking a pill or a shake of a sort, one can get all the nutrients they need for the day. Is that really the case? My name is Zanobili, and it's another Nutrition Friday!
Nutrition Friday, Nutrition Friday, the Good Life Chat Room Show. Nutrition Friday, Nutrition Friday, yeah, let's go.
Supplements are meant to supplement and not replace food. This means that they are meant to add on to what we already have and cannot work properly on their own. Although supplements can provide some essential vitamins and minerals, they cannot fully replace the benefits of a balanced meal. Whole foods provide a combination of nutrients. For instance, while fruits and vegetables, grains and proteins do not just provide for us amino acids, carbohydrates, vitamins, and healthy fats, they also provide for us antioxidants, fiber, and many beneficial compounds that support the body. Again, whole foods support digestion and overall health. Fiber from fruits and vegetables, whole grains and cereals, as well as proteins, help digestion, control blood sugar, as well as supporting our overall health. Besides, because whole foods provide an array of nutrients and protective compounds in a meal, these protective compounds and nutrients work together to support the body in various ways at various times, as compared to pills and powders, which will provide you one set of nutrients at a time. It is important to note that certain situations will require supplementation. For instance, pregnancy or adolescence, especially for the female child. Persons with specific medical conditions may also receive supplements. Again, qualified health professionals can prescribe supplementations where necessary. In conclusion, the best way to stay healthy is to focus on a nutritious, balanced diet, not shortcuts. Supplements can support your diet, but should never replace real food. This has been Nutrition Friday here on the Good Life Chat Room. Follow us on all our social media handles at Ghana Health Service and Good Life GH for more tips and updates. Please leave your questions and comments in the chat box below, and we'll be sure to get back to you. Until then, good life, live it well. Good life is an everyday thing. Bye-bye.